Here we go, 4th graders. I'm going to teach you for L2 how to write what's called an acrostic poem. So an acrostic poem is where you take a word, you write it vertically, and then you write words or phrases, sentences, that tell you about that word. So I am going to write one on a Google slide. You could do yours on paper, you could do yours on a Google Doc. I'm going to do mine on a Google slide, and I'm going to do the season fall. So I have to think of something that tells me about fall. Well, football was played at that time, so I can say football. Oh, notice I went too far. You want what you write to be one sentence. So I might simplify it and just write football is played. For A, tells me about A. It's a good time to be outside. L, leaves, change color. One more L word. Let's see, what else happens at the fall? Well, school starts, so I could say learning. Then what I want to do is I want to try to line it up. So I'm going to go here, line it up that way. And then this is where you get to be a little bit creative. So what I might do is maybe make, like thinking about leaves, I might make it orange. Because then people know what it is I'm trying to spell. If I don't make any sort of difference there, it could be hard to know. So again, I picked a color that made sense for that season. Now, this looks okay, but I'm going to add in some pictures. So what I'm going to go to, I'm going to title that too, so I'll just call this fall. So then what I need to do is insert some pictures. So I can go to Insert, Image, Pictures Web, and I have football in there, so I'll search for football. There's a football right there, so I can double click it. And now the football's in there, and it's huge. So I'm going to shrink it down. I'll put it right there for now. You know what? And maybe I want to insert some other things too. So, search the web. I want to do like fall leaves. If I do just leaves, I don't think I'll get very much. Yeah, it doesn't really show the fall, so maybe I'll do fall. Now we got some color. So I could add that there. And again, it's really big. And I can shrink it up. One other thing I could do is I could play with the background. So I can click there, and I can choose a color if I want. So it looks something like that. Or, you can choose an image, so I'm going to go into Google Image Search. Maybe I'll do fall leaves instead for my background. Maybe I want to do something like that. Let's see what this would look like. I really like the look of that. So, I might make this a little more readable. Maybe I'm going to make it white. And I can do the same thing here. And here. Here. You'll notice now the other parts, the other letters are not super readable, so maybe I'll go back to making black. And they'll stand out a little bit more. Now know if I like that football there. I might just take it out. This seems kind of random. So football is played, a good time to be outside, leaves change color, learning has begun. And then I'll just change those periods there so they're, oops. I would change those periods so they're white too. So, an acrostic poem is where you take a word, in this case it'll be spring, write it vertically like I did, so S-P-R-I-N-G, and then write words or phrases that tell you about that season. And then I showed you how you can add pictures and a background to your poem as well.